Welcome back to RVA Lawn Love. Today we're going to show you how to build a fire pit. It's very easy, about a 2-hour project for one person. Materials needed are 30 landscape blocks, 2 bags of pea gravel, 1 bag of drainage gravel, 1 bag of sand, and 1 tube of construction adhesive like Loctite. Alright, first let me preface by saying that I lost a lot of footage between the time I started filming this video and the time I got around to finishing this video. But just stick around and watch because this is super easy. Alright, so the first order of business is take 10 of your landscape blocks and create a circle. This will give you your basic shape. What you're going to do next is take a spade or a shovel and go around the outside of these bricks, marking the outside rim so that you can make it level. Alright, ignore the second stack of bricks here, but you can see where I used the sand to get myself a good level with the bottom stack of bricks. Then I took the post hole digger and dug a hole right in the center of the pit and filled it with drainage rock. Alright, and after that was done, you can see I covered it back in with the sand and leveled things out. And then I widened the bottom rim a little bit, created that gap to let some air flow in. And I will replicate that with the second row as well. Next, I took my hammer and I got rid of the ridge on the back of all the blocks so that they sit flat on top of the row beneath them. Okay, so now that ridge is removed on the second row of blocks, you go ahead and arrange them on top, get them where you want them. And now the next step is to remove the bricks one by one and squirt some construction adhesive underneath each block. Next, you just repeat the same steps all over again for the third tier, and you have your ring completed. Once you're at this step, you add your pea gravel to the bottom of the pit. Alright, that's it. Super quick video, but it's a super quick project. This is something you can knock out in a couple of hours, and it's relatively cheap. It costs around 75 bucks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Get off your ass. Take care of your grass. Peace.